Hi there! We're excited to present a collection of the coolest gadgets from Amazon. Find links to all the featured products in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for instant updates. Introducing the meat chopper for Hamburger. This premium heat-resistant masher and smasher is perfect for effortlessly breaking up ground beef, ground turkey, and more. Made of durable nylon, it's safe for non-stick cookware and ensures easy mixing and chopping. Complete with a meat fork for added versatility, this tool is a must-have for any kitchen. Say goodbye to clumpy meat and hello to perfectly cooked dishes with the meat chopper for Hamburger. Introducing the SURETIVIAN chicken shredder. This large chicken breast shredder tool features a twist design with a brush and fork for effortless shredding. Its visible meat shredder machine allows for precise control, while the anti-slip strip and ergonomic handle ensure comfortable use. Made of BPA-free materials and suitable for shredding pork, beef, and chicken, this tool is a versatile addition to any kitchen. Say hello to perfectly shredded meats with the SURETIVIAN chicken shredder in vibrant orange. Introducing the Deiss Pro Lemon Zester and Heavy-Duty Cheese Grater and Vegetable Grater. This versatile kitchen tool is perfect for grating Parmesan cheese, lemon, garlic, nutmeg, chocolate, fruits, vegetables, and ginger. With its heavy-duty stainless steel construction, it effortlessly shreds and grates ingredients to perfection. Say goodbye to tedious food prep and hello to effortless grating with the Deiss Pro Grater. Introducing the Dash Mini Maker. This compact appliance is perfect for making individual waffles, hash browns, and keto chaffles. With easy-to-clean, non-stick surfaces, you can enjoy hassle-free cooking and cleaning. Measuring just 4 inches, it's the ideal size for small kitchens or on-the-go cooking. Say hello to delicious, homemade treats with the Dash Mini Maker in Aqua. Introducing FLAIROSOL OLIVIA, the original advanced oil sprayer for cooking. Perfect for salads, barbecues, and more, this innovative sprayer offers continuous spray with portion control, trusted by chefs worldwide. With its patented technology and glass bottle design, it ensures convenience and durability in the kitchen. Say goodbye to uneven oil distribution and hello to precise cooking with FLAIROSOL OLIVIA in classic white print. Introducing the Dash Safe Slice Mandoline Slicer. This versatile slicer is perfect for julienning, dicing vegetables, and meal prep tasks. With over 30 presets and a thickness adjuster, it offers precise slicing for various recipes. Designed for safety, it features the Safe Slice design to prevent accidental cuts. Say hello to effortless meal prep and precise slicing with the Dash Safe Slice Mandoline Slicer in Aqua. Introducing the Secura 17-ounce automatic liquid soap dispenser. This touchless, battery-operated hand soap dispenser offers convenience and hygiene for both commercial and household use. With an adjustable soap dispensing volume control dial, you can customize the amount of soap dispensed to your preference. Designed in sleek chrome, it adds a modern touch to any space. Say goodbye to messy soap bottles and hello to effortless, hands-free dispensing with the Secura automatic liquid soap dispenser. Introducing the YouCopia StoraLid Food Container Lid Organizer. This large, BPA-free plastic organizer is designed to bring order to your kitchen cabinets and drawers. With adjustable compartments, it accommodates various sizes of food container lids, keeping them neatly stored and easily accessible. Say goodbye to lid clutter and hello to organized kitchen spaces with the YouCopia StoraLid Food Container Lid Organizer in white. Introducing the MuellerLiving Hand Blender. This versatile immersion blender and hand mixer come with stainless steel attachments, including a blade, whisk, and milk frother. Perfect for blending, mixing, and frothing, it's an essential tool for your kitchen. Say hello to effortless food preparation and culinary creativity with the MuellerLiving Hand Blender. Introducing the Hamilton Beach Electric Vegetable Chopper and Mini Food Processor. This compact appliance packs a punch with its 350 watts of power, perfect for dicing, mincing, and pureeing vegetables and other ingredients. With a 3-cup capacity and sleek black design, it's a versatile and stylish addition to any kitchen. Say hello to easy meal prep and delicious dishes with the Hamilton Beach Electric Vegetable Chopper and Mini Food Processor.